Every business where you work, they have their own way and their own requirements. So basically, when you install a Windows Server 2019, as it comes with different editions, it also comes with different installation options. You can install it in different ways, and one of them is Core Edition. So the Core Edition is command line interface to manage server. So basically, what you're doing in here is like if you have a site that is far far away and there are like no admins in there, you just need to install Active Directory and you need to maintain them sometime, and then you want to have like less hardware specification because if you're installing Core Edition, you don't have to have like a high hardware requirement, and then you can use Core Edition where it is not graphic, it is all command line, and everything that you're doing is command line, installing Active Directory, DNS, managing, troubleshooting, everything that you're doing is all through command line. It is designed to only support limited number of roles and features, so there are some limitations there. So before you implement Core Edition, you need to know why do you need that Core Edition, where are you going to implement that Core Edition, and how are you going to use that Core Edition. Another installation option that we use all the time is server with the Extop Experience, or you can say graphic user interface. It has the PowerShell and then graphic user interface installed by default. Like your Windows 10 is graphic user interface that you work on, right? So this desktop experience gives you that graphic, and then it also gives you the ability to use the command line. It provides more client-like experience on Windows Server with full graphical interface with less limitations.